USD. As you can see, it is it came up here on the RSI into overbought territory, which was previous resistance before, so I expected a bit of a retracement. It actually broke through it for a little bit, so we still got to be careful and kind of watch what's going on. I took a sell position up here because, as you can see, came up here, hit resistance as per previous times, but there is still some room for it to move up. But on this particular retracement, right, I'm gonna go ahead and probably cash out of that position at this time. Let's zoom in on the 4-hour so we see how that looks here. So it could go back down as far as 377 perhaps. It's making its way down, maybe even to 459. So when I see it start to do a little bit of retracement here, this is something I will be looking for. But this has been in overbought territory for quite some time, and as you can see, we started forming, even though on the RSI we were hitting the same levels, on the chart it started doing something different, right? So on the RSI it came up to a lower high, but on the real chart it was a higher high. Then on the next chart we had a higher high. So we started to see some divergence happening. Divergence is just simply whatever's happening on the RSI is slightly different than what we see happening in the chart. Okay, so as you can see here in the chart as well, it's starting to go down to a lower low, but over here on the chart it hasn't quite established that lower low yet. So when you start to see divergence, what usually happens is whatever's going on in the RSI will actually start to take place in the actual chart.